It's a chilly one. We're gonna do some stuff today. I got updates on the PT Cruiser, got some work done yesterday, and we're gonna make about $40,000 today. So let's do some cold starts. This thing's leaving today. Let's say goodbye. Alright guys, first thing I did this morning was went over and got that WRX inspected. When I did the revs on that, it had already been running for about 20 minutes. Don't worry, we weren't going to blow it up. Anyhow, that kid's supposed to be coming at noon, but I have to run to Cicero, pick up some titles, and I'm going to take the PT Cruiser. I've been kind of hesitant driving this thing the last about month and a half or so since I got it. The clutch would slip in third gear higher, and like anything over 4,000 RPM would just like rev to the moon. We got the stage 2 Sachs clutch in this yesterday. Also did a wheel bearing, and it was a nightmare actually. Bill, our tech, knocked it out of the park, but the thing had been cob jobbed before, so like all of the basically shift cables and everything for the shifter, they didn't even have any bushings or anything in them. It was just like grommet off from what looked like a Subaru valve cover with like a weld thrown on top. I'll put some pictures here. It's actually hilarious. Bill had to spend hours just kind of fabricating everything to get it all working, and now it shifts smooth as butter. It's beautiful, and it puts the power down. Alright, so I'm going to do a quick 40 roll, third gear, pull here real quick. Get an idea. It's not on boost. It'll probably take a second to get on boost, but we'll see what she does. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I don't really want to be doing any worse than that or bring it up past red line at all. So that was about 6 seconds, 40 to 90. That's pretty fucking good for a PT Cruiser. That's on straight road and not on boost, so that's below where boost doesn't come on until about 4,000 RPM. It had to kind of build up in the boost to even do that, so that's impressive. If I was able to do a 45 roll, I bet you it'd do 45 to 90 in much less time. Anyhow, it's a ripper for what it is. I mean, for what it is, it's a piece of shit. I was like, man, I suck at shifting, but it turns out somebody sucks at fucking putting cars together, so we had to fix this. Quick announcement too, I'm excited because we're going to be going about 1,300 miles in 22 hours to go pick up a car in Tampa, Florida on April 2nd. It happens to be the same time as we're picking up a car from an auction right there next to the Freedom Factory. We might be visiting Cleetus Mcfarland's little track there. Alice did her due diligence and to make sure they were properly social distance from anybody at the hotel in the area. We should end up just getting a house down there. It's just a little easier, make it so you're farther away from people. This is what it looks like, because we're gonna go full America to go watch him do some Freedom 500. works protocols, it'll be nice to be able to, you know, take the business trip down there and get a vehicle that we obviously need to pick up. Be right next to Cleetus' Freedom Factory. We'll be excited to watch him and the boys tear it up. Got tickets. They sold out within like 4 minutes to go to the Freedom 500, so luckily we got some tickets. Ellis worked on getting that house. It's going to be a great time. Back to our scheduled programming. So much paperwork. I gotta get 4 sets of paperwork printed off so that I can meet people over there and collect their money. Alright, we got our first couple sets of paperwork together here. I wasn't able to do them all because one guy's plates were no good. The other guy, he didn't know if he wanted to wait for new plates. He wanted to transfer for a new set of white plates instead of the yellow plates that New York has had for a while. He wants to transfer over to the white ones, but it's going to take a lot longer, so I have to wait for his decision. Let's run over and get money from these people and get some cars out of here. 1 down. Car number 2 done. And they traded me this. Obviously, this thing's a turd. What should we do with it? Maybe I can turn it into another enduro car. They're doing another one in Brewerton, 200 laps in August. I think that this thing will stay. Do you think it'll stay running if I just leave it sitting until August? It's kind of a piece of crap. I don't know. See what we do with it. Maybe we'll jump it through the woods. Maybe I'll sell it. And another guy stopped in, took deposit on a car we're going to sell Monday. It's the 30R Outback I drove to Buffalo with to go pick up the snowmobile. So, got to use it, made me some money, and here we go. Alright, next we gotta run to the DMV. There's a set of plates there I gotta pick up and drop those ones off so they can be processed Monday. Alright guys, we're gonna end it off there. We did get 4 cars done in the day. A total value of $40,000 worth of vehicle, which is awesome. It's pretty good for a day's work. Obviously I don't get to keep it all, but to keep some of it, move on to the next stuff. And during the day I shook hands on a 30R that we're going to sell Monday, and I got to show you a couple projects we had in the works. So keep commenting, liking, subscribing, share these around with your friends if you want. Thanks, bye.